Friday night at the mall. Hi travellers, I'm Anne Stewart and welcome to the largest mall in the world. We're just walking in, been to the car park. Where the hell did Amanda park? Alright, which way? Note to self, do not come on a Friday.
Or Thursday night.
Or Thursday night. It's the weekend. Look at all these freaking people. And this is just one floor. Randomly. There's so many people.
We're back in China, aren't we?
Yeah.
Like Shanghai.
This is ridiculous. So this mountain seems to just draw into it. Oh, just take selfies. Oh, look out, I know her. Dubai Mall. Woohoo! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing as I put new videos every week helping enhance your travel experience.